How to customize contact page on Shopify. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your contact page. To customize your contact page, first go to your Shopify admin panel and then go to online store. Click on customize. Now go to top and select your page. Click on pages and here you will see all of pages. Select the contact page. Now basically you can't change the information, but you can customize the design. So click on that and then on the right side you will see color scheme. Just click on change and then you will see lot of color scheme. Suppose you want to change the color, just click on that. And if you want to add some padding top and bottom, then you can add padding. Just click on and drag it. So we have added some padding on top and bottom. After that, on the top right corner, click on save. And that's how you can customize your Shopify contact page. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.